Kayla, can you try and get the ball? Kayla. Kayla, try and get the ball. She's just been trying to crawl. She's been scooting up to it. Here, can you get the ball? Get the ball. Good job. Kayla. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Can you wave? Can you say hi? Hi. Can you say hi? Say hi. It's hard work. You don't whine, yo. Say hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. You can eat that. You were doing good. Rolling around to the ball. You were doing so good. You were getting it. Oh, I'm changed it up on you. Now you're going to get this. Oh my gosh. Good job, Kayla. Good job, baby girl. Kayla, look at Mama. Kayla, look at Mama. Kayla. Good job. Hi. Good job, Pumpkin. I'm so proud of you. Kisses.